Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 15 and let me share with you how to soft reset and force restart your device. So we will begin with the easier way. So if you just wish to reset your device quickly, then all you have to do is to press the power button and the volume up button together. Just press them once. And now we can just drag this ball to this reboot option and your device will be automatically powered off and then powered on again. However, if for some reason your device stopped working properly, you cannot really tap on anything, it does not respond to your touches, you might want to force restart it without the usage of the screen. Then all you have to do is to press the power button and volume up button together again, so the same combination of keys, but this time press them and hold them until we'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me press both of those buttons and keep pressing. Let's ignore this restart and power off option. Keep pressing both of those buttons. We've got a black screen, which is a really good sign. I felt the vibration, so I can release the finger. We've got also the developer's logo, which means that we just forcefully restarted our device, and in a second it should power it on and work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.